So, what's going on, guys? Here's another video of my daily videos. Today I'm gonna talk about Virgin Galactics. Now, what is happening with it and what I wanna do with it and what are my predictions, my analysis. So as always, before we start, make sure to subscribe, to like and comment. If you don't like, subscribe and comment, it's your choice, but make sure to like, to subscribe and comment. So let's go. So now the first thing, we saw a huge drop in Virgin Galactics after it spiked quite high. So here we can actually take a look at the chart, and as we can see, in June we went all the way to 55 and then we dropped down and we are now at around 23. So yesterday we broke below the support line at around 23.8, and after that we started retesting the now resistance line, and at the moment we are below it. So the market will open soon and we don't know where it's gonna heading, but what I want to talk about is actually the fact that there was a flight planned in September, but now due to some mistakes they had to postpone the flight, and now the flight will take place in mid-October. So if you take a look here, there were some complications with the calculations and some mistakes, so now it might take longer than anticipated to take off, and this will also affect the overall outcome of this year and probably next year. So we could wait until next year summer until we see some really big moves, or until we go higher. I mean, some analysts and some kind of professional traders, whatever you want to call them, predicting that the stock might go easily above 100 next year at around summertime. So for now we don't know what is going to happen to it. At the same time, a couple of weeks ago, Richard Branson sold some of his stocks, I think worth 300 million. I'm not quite sure. If you want, you can look it up. And another organization bought the market, or a couple of shares, at around 25, because at that time, which was a couple of 2 weeks ago, 24-25 was the line that we are somewhere around now, which is a support line that is very crucial, or was crucial, and is holding for now. But so these were some kind of fundamental information for you, but what we want to take a look at now is the technical analysis. So we are going to take a look at the chart. So now if we look at the chart, what we see here is so, as I said yesterday, we broke below 23.8, which is this line here. And if we take a look at, let me just add some indicators here real quick. So we are here trading below the 200 EMA, which is something that we saw here as well. And right where the cross here is between the 50 and 200 EMA was almost the lowest point. Here, after the cross, we went actually higher and now lower. And the next support line for now would be around here, around the 20 area. So yesterday we kind of formed a bullish candlestick, but what we also want to look at is the fact that here, after we broke pretty low with the RSI, which was here, and the point here, so we had here the first crossover to the upside, which we had here as well. Then we had the second one, which was here. Now the third one, which is here, and now we are somewhere around here and here, which means we could again go lower here. So depending what the market will do, I will take a look at it for a couple of more days, maybe 1 or 2 weeks, because we could still stay within this range or drop lower. It doesn't matter. My entry point or what I'm gonna do with it is actually really simple. I'm gonna buy some stocks somewhere around here at this area. If I see a clearer bearish sign or bullish sign, I will wait until we fall maybe lower or things like that. But my stop loss will be here at around $14, which was the previous low here. So my target will be, well, the previous highs. So my risk reward for now is 4.0, and the fact that this will be kind of a long-term or a longer-term investment is actually the reason why my stop loss is so low or so big. So anyways, this was my analysis and my kind of information about Virgin Galactic, so hope I could help you. Thanks for watching.